In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize pages in Notion. We'll start simple and keep everything clear and intentional so your workspace feels tidy and easy to navigate. First, open your browser and head over to notion.com, click login, then proceed to the workspace you want to work on. Taking a moment to confirm you're in the right workspace helps keep personal and team content separate and avoids confusion later. Once you're inside, begin organizing by giving your pages clean, descriptive titles. Open each page and update the title so it clearly explains what lives inside. Think about consistency here. If you prefer dates first, use a format like 2025-01 planning. If you rely on themes or categories, add short prefixes such as ops, design, or personal. Keep titles short but specific so they're easy to scan and sort. Avoid vague names like stuff or notes. Instead, try project brief, weekly review, or meeting archive. Apply the same approach to your subpages. Subpages should mirror the logic of their parent page so everything reads like a clear outline. For example, if your main page is projects, subpages might be active, on hold, and completed, rather than a mix of unrelated labels. Matching naming patterns, such as using the same tense and capitalization, will make your workspace feel cohesive. Inside each page, you can add visual cues that make content quicker to recognize. Click Add Icon at the top and choose an icon that matches the purpose of the page. Icons aren't just decorative, they help your eyes find the right page faster. Try to keep icon styles consistent. Simple shapes or a recurring theme can subtly tie related pages together. If your team uses color coding, pick icon colors that align with that system. Next, click Add Cover to give your page a banner image. Choose from the menu and select a cover that supports the page's content or mood. A calm texture for a planning page or a bold visual for a launch hub can set the tone before you even start reading. Aim for covers that aren't too busy and consider contrast so your page title remains readable. If you're organizing many pages, keep a consistent look across a category. Similar colors or imagery help users understand they're in the same section. That's it for today's walkthrough. Clear names for pages and subpages, plus thoughtful icons and covers will instantly make your Notion workspace more organized and enjoyable to use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like